In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the power of artificial intelligence to automatically mask people in Adobe Premiere Pro. This feature allows you to easily replace, remove or blur the background of your video, but that's not all. With this tool, you'll also be able to control the foreground and background separately, making it easy to brighten up faces, desaturate the background, and more. First things first, let's set up the AI Background Remover extension. If you haven't already, head over to Adobe Exchange and download the extension or follow the link in the video description. Once you've got it, open it up by clicking on Window Extensions AI Background Remover. Next, drag any clip to your timeline. Once it's selected, click on the Apply Effect button in the Extensions panel. This will start analyzing the footage and separating persons from the background. Once the extension is finished analyzing the footage, you'll see that the background is gone and you can start editing your video.